Okay, so what we're doing here is uploading data to ThingSpeak, Cloud IoT, Internet of Things. Uploaded, and what we're doing is sending signals from this board, Elecfreaks IoT board, up to ThingSpeak on a website. Each time the door is opened or closed, and if it stays in one position or another, then it's recorded as a straight line. In other words, I have door closed. 1 means yes, the door is closed. Closed. It's recording 1. And over here on door open, again, 1 means the door is open and 0 means it's closed. This is a way of me to check to see if my house door is open or closed, if I have access to the internet, and I can get this data charting on ThingSpeak because I know where this website is if I have access to it. Now, notice that I've got a light that turns blue when the door is closed. That's the way I've got it set up. And over here, my distance sensor, my ultrasonic, senses someone coming in or coming near the house and opens the door. And it says, welcome when the door is open and goodbye when the door is closed. The description or the code for this will be in the description of this video. And this code, it looks complicated, but what it is, it just says register 1 or 0 depending on the distance in millimeters from the ultrasonic sensor. Send that 1 or 0 depending on the distance measured. What I did was used some Lego Technics or mechanical beams. These are made by Lego company. These holes and spacing fit Lego bricks. As you know, if you've done anything with Lego bricks, you can use a base plate like this. And you can see that this will snap right in. It's the same form factor for Lego bricks as it is for Lego Technics mechanical. So now we can glue this to the base of the house, and now the house will be secure. It doesn't slide around. Then we can do more things. We can add all kinds of minifigures and other bricks and things to this grassy lawn or garden area for this house. Also, this RGB LED light called NeoPixel was not included in my kit, but I had some myself, so I just soldered on wires and then glued them on to these 3D printed little attachments which match these attachments that come with the kit. So I just glued this on to the roof. Ran the wires down. In a previous video I explained that we have to use pin some pin other than 4 and 6. Pin 9 works for this in our code, and you'll see that in the code. That pretty much explains what we're doing, an example of using a smart home to upload the state of the door, open or closed, 1 being open and 0 being closed, using this particular expansion board from Elecfreaks that has a Wi-Fi connector. Keep in mind that this works only with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. My modern Wi-Fi here in my house is 5 gigahertz. This will not work. So I have to use my cell phone. This is an Android, and it uses the 2.4 gigahertz standard, the original standard for Wi-Fi connectivity. In other words, if you're in a place that has Wi-Fi of 5 gigahertz, this may not work. You don't really know that when you buy it. You only find out later if you read the really detailed print documentation. It will say it's best to use 2.4 gigahertz. As a matter of fact, an Android phone, this is an Android phone, will work as of today, 2021, has 2.4 gigahertz when it has a shareable Wi-Fi hotspot on the phone. Again, this code will be in the description of the video. All you need to do is click on the link. It will show you how to, it will install these extensions that you'll need to upload your data to ThingSpeak. So there will be more on all this.